Hey, do you like the old Zippo lighters? Well, Lowe's has got them, and they're on sale. Butane Zippo insert, $9.97 down from $19.96. Not on sale, but a useful item. Blaster de-icer for windshields, $3.98. Not a huge drop, but an Ego 56-volt leaf blower trimmer combo, $239.17 down from $299. Something to keep you warm in the northern cool climate, $439.47 down from $799. A Master Forge medium wood stove. You've been wondering about that Skil Twist 2.0? You got it in my back aisle, $19.98 down from $29.98. Sorry I haven't been on in a week. I've been sick. Take care.